What if I told you that you could own your own Uber Eats style business without coding, without hiring a team, without paying a single cent to platforms like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Grubhub? And instead of them taking your money, you could flip the script and make money like them starting today? Sounds crazy, right? Well, let me show you how this brand new AI-powered tool is doing exactly that for everyday people. People who have never built a website in their life. People with zero technical skills. People who never thought they could own their own food ordering empire. Yet, with just one click, they now have fully functional, AI-powered food ordering websites, just like Uber Eats and DoorDash running on autopilot and making them money. This is the future of online business, and today you have a chance to be ahead of it. Right now, restaurants and food businesses are being robbed. Uber Eats takes 30% per order. DoorDash, even worse. Grubhub, they keep raising fees. These platforms bleed small businesses dry while making billions every year. But what if, instead of paying them, you became them? What if you could launch your own Uber Eats-style website in less than 30 seconds and start keeping all the profits for yourself? That's exactly what FoodAI Studio does for you. FoodAI Studio is a first-of-its-kind AI-powered platform that lets you launch your own fully automated food ordering website in 30 seconds. Accept orders, process payments, and manage deliveries all on autopilot. Sell these websites to local restaurants for $997 plus each. Keep 100% of the profits, no commissions, no middlemen, no hidden fees. With just a few clicks, your entire business is live. And here's the best part. No coding, no developers, no headaches. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with it. Step 1, log in. Sign in to the AI-powered FoodAI Studio business dashboard by clicking on any of the buttons below. Step 2, create. With just a few clicks, build your own branded food ordering website complete with menus, online payments, and delivery management. No coding, no headaches, no waiting. Step 3, launch and profit. Go live instantly and start taking orders or selling these websites to clients. AI handles the hard work, and you keep all the profits. This is the simplest way to start a fully automated online business that generates money day and night. Take Sarah, for example. Sarah had zero experience with websites, coding, or online business. But in just a few days, she used FoodAI Studio to create and sell a food ordering website for $997 with no upfront cost, no skills, and no tech background. She literally went from $0 to nearly $1,000 in profit without touching a single line of code. Imagine what happens when you do this over and over again. How many websites could you sell? How much money could you make? The opportunity is endless, and it starts with FoodAI Studio. And because we want to make this an absolute no-brainer for you, we're also including exclusive bonuses that will enhance your results with FoodAI Studio and make it 10 times better. And to remove all the risk, we're backing this with a 100% money-back guarantee. Use FoodAI Studio for 30 days, launch your websites, collect your payments, even sell a few for $997 each. If you're not absolutely blown away by the results, just let us know and we'll refund every single penny. No questions asked, no fine print, no risk. But here's the catch. This is a limited time deal. Once this launch is over, the one-time price disappears, and we'll be switching to a high monthly fee like every other AI platform. So you have two choices right now. Option 1, you leave this page and keep struggling while Uber Eats and DoorDash take all the profits. Or option 2, you grab FoodAI Studio, launch your own food ordering business, and start making real money starting today. The choice is yours. Click the button below and secure your copy before this deal is gone forever.